CDP Studio is downloaded from our web pages. Fill in the form and select if you're a professional, student, or home user. You then receive an email with the download links. A 30-day trial license is included. Download and start the installer. Fill in the form. For Windows, we recommend installing it on the dev drive. To build applications for a device, you need to install the relevant cross-compilation toolkits. Select the toolkits you require. Accept the license agreement. Enable or disable analytics. After installing, start CDP Studio. You can install additional toolkits at any time by starting the maintenance tool. You have now installed CDP Studio and selected toolkits.